Welcome to our educational channel. From this video, I want to make a complete series of 100 shortcut tricks to crack the quantitative aptitude. So for any entrance exams or any competitive test like IBPS, SBI, this is all the list. There are a few lists here showing here. To cover all the exam tests, all the entrance tests, we need to do the calculations very fast, right? So for that, we need some shortcut tricks. So I am selecting here from this topics: ratio and proportion, partnership, so mixture and allegation, average, percentage. So these all around throughout all the topics. Almost all the topics will cover up to the probability. So from every topic or every chapter, around 5 to 10 important shortcut tricks to cover the entire exam, entire entrance exams, to cover the shortcut tricks. So I'll make the series here. Already in our channel, I have done this quantitative aptitude one series. The chapters I explained, but shortcut tricks I want to explain here one by one. Okay, these are the important topics. Each and every exam, each and every entrance exam, you can cover this. Trains, board, time, work, pipe system. So you can see the list here. Okay, and number system, HCF, LCM, heights, distance, progressions, calendar, clock, permutations and combinations, or including this probability. Okay, one by one, so topic wise. So I'll explain. So you can subscribe our channel and just continue learning one by one once I uploaded, just to practice, and few examples also I'll show while I'm explaining. So you can take alternate examples and see the some important links also in description below, and you can see all the quantitative aptitude to cover the shortcut tricks are very important, and easy and simple method we'll learn. Right, first from the ratio and proportions, let us see few topic. So one shortcut trick I'll make in one video. Okay, for example, let us start with shortcut one. From this ratio and proportion, this splitting a given number in the given ratio, splitting a number in the given ratio. So in these shortcut tricks, if you notice, some are basics you might have known, and some even many of you don't know. Just I collected from all the theory part the important shortcut tricks to cover the problems easy. Okay, remember that and you can practice. Okay, let's begin with this first trick. If you want to divide a number with particular ratio, so generally we'll take that ratio will be let 2x and 3x. So ratio is 2 is to 3, right? So we'll take this as 2x comma 3x. So instead of that, directly we can add the numbers. So here, so okay, two parts I'll show. So in solution 1, two categories will do. First, let us take the total parts. If any number you want to divide particular ratio, you can add the total parts, that is 2 is to 3, no, 2 plus 3, that is the 5. So first number and second number we need to divide into two parts. So 720 in the two parts, the ratio is 2 is to 3, right? So first number is, when you come to this, first number is based on the first part. First part is 2, by total parts is 5 into 720. What you have to divide, that you can write that method, 2 by 5 into 720. Okay, you can cancelling method you apply. 5 times 1 is a 5, 2 and 2, 22, no, 5 4 is a 20, again 4, 144 into 2, 288. One part is 288. To find out the second number, from 720 you can subtract this, or else same like first number only can do. If you want the second number, two options: 720 minus 288, or that the second part is 3, right? 3 by 5 into again 720. So 5 times 144 into 3 is 432, or 720 minus 288 also same. This is the method we can apply directly. Generally, so what the when you're doing, people will do, just you can take let 2x plus 3x. 2x plus 3x is equals to, that's 720 total. So parts 2 is to 3 ratio, right? So 2x and 3x. So 2x plus 3x is the 720. From this we'll find out the x value. 2x plus 3x is 5x is equal to 720. Then x is equal to 720 by 5. So 144. Now directly we can substitute these values. First number is 2x. Second number is 3x. This is also method. 2x and 3x. 2x is the first number. 2 into 144. 3x is the second number. 3 into 144. So same answer will come. 288, 432. If it is only 2 ratio or ratio is only 2, we can do. Let me show you one more example with the same 720 divide in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4. So direct method you can apply. Just sum up the parts. So what you should do, instead of writing all, just you take first part is 2 divided by total parts. So total parts you have to calculate in mind. We can write 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So if you want to divide 720 in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 4, just first part by total into 720. We calculate. Same way. Next third part, that means second part 3 by 9 into 720. Yes, again if you want the third part 4 by 9 into 720. Just if you can calculate and simplify, you'll get the answer. 9 times 1, this is, you can simplify. Again 9 8s are 0, so 160. Right, and second number is 3 by 9 into 720. Same table you can cancel now. 8 8 is 8 into 3 is 240, and third number is 4 by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 8 is a 4 into 8 is 320 because 4 8 is 32. So this is a method directly you can apply to get the shortcut trick in this way. So instead of taking like 2x, 3x, 4x, this is the method you can apply. So shortcut tricks one by one I'll follow. So this is only the list of the chapters I showed in this first, and from the second shortcut, including some basic formulas also how to use in the shortcut tricks. So one by one, let me explain you.